actually interested on studying it now. Okay. Guys, it's Monday, so I'm really happy because my mom, she bought me my first ever personal refrigerator. She messaged me earlier today and then she told me na I bought your ref, so you won't bother me anymore. So yun, yeah, tomorrow I'm scheduled to go grocery and just buy some stuff for my room kasi hindi pa siya tapos, even though it looks good naman na. Like for example, right now I'm still doing my skincare on my sink, on my living area sink. Kasi yung CR ko, hindi pa siya totally tapos. Yung wall, wala pa siyang mirror. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Wala masyadong ganap except sa big thing na rep. Really excited to fill it with grocery tomorrow and then of course skincare. So, finally, that's it. Good night! We have a visitor today. Come here, say hi. Hi. This is Zion, my super smart nephew. Guys, what I got. This is from Shopee. This is from the shop. And these are the... I think this is the mood bar and the electrolyte drink that I ordered. This is the mood food bar. Later. I'm gonna put it in my stash. And yeah, I think that's it for our 10/10 sale, and I'm gonna link everything down below. So let's go to the grocery store. Katapos ko lang mag-grocery, and we're gonna try this mood food bar. Can you guys see it? It's good. It's really good. I like it. This is my first 1-hour break. And usually during my breaks, I work on my side hustles, or like I check on my side hustles. Kasi we cannot waste time. My mom got me cheeseburger and fries. Cheeseburger is one of my favorite burgers in Jollibee. Yung first is the OG, of course, yung burger. So, bukas, marami akong deadline for creative works. Both on my side hustles and my night job. Cause, hindi ko alam, nagkapatong-patong kasi sila. So, yun. It's good. Bye, Mama. Look, Tita. Come here. You press. Start. No. Press. Okay, go. Yeah. Casey? Thank you! It's already 10 p.m. I wanna drink wine, because why not? You got it? You got it? Why not? This is just a sparkling wine, so... I'm actually interested on studying on how to properly drink wine. I know there's like a right, so I really want to learn. Yep. So mag-3 a.m. na, and kakatapos ko lang actually. I'm done with my job. I'm gonna sleep, pero before that, I just have to reply some emails lang for my side hustle. Don't worry about me, I'm really healthy, I'm doing good. It's just that I sleep late because I wake up late then. So, iba yung sleeping pattern ko. Already 3:24. My day just started like around 2 hours ago. So I just made my coffee. This is just a Spanish latte. I'm using Nescafe Gold. I don't have a machine for this afternoon. We're just gonna go work. I'm gonna work on editing my vlog na I'll upload this next week. And then I also have like a lot of side hustles, creative work, or like tasks to do na due din today. So, wish you luck, makasurvive ko tong day na to. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, and then pagka Saturday, darating si MJ. So, I'm really excited for him to come. This is the Chanel blush, and it's really subtle, but it's really good on the skin. This is my makeup for today. I'm actually just gonna go to the Japan surplus store just to check what's in there. I thought I was recording, but anyway, my delivery arrived. This is Jollibee. I ordered spaghetti, enjoy, and my favorite peach mango pie. The other chicken is for my nephew because he's gonna come here later. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat because it's also my shift started. And yeah, that's it. That's it.
Today, and because we're not watching mine, that's why I generally carry toys by myself.
It's actually, my day started like an hour or two ago, so we're gonna make an electrolyte drink. This is the electrolyte hydration, and then we're gonna put like 1 scoop. Okay. It's like water, like flavored water. Hello guys. I'm actually supposed to skip coffee today, but I want to try this mug. It's good. Look who's here. First decent meal of the day. California maki. This one is steamed gyoza, tonkatsu, shoyu, and beef gyudon. Let's eat! Guys, we're here at Greenhouse. I'm with this weird guy.
Pigeon.
It's already Monday, so another week. And then we're gonna eat here and then mag-atomig kay coffee because mag-work lang ka dyan. That's it. Balik rin sa balay because I have work. Ali na lang Greenhouse, mami!
Thank you.
Sige, paitan natin kag-kape uli. Okay, madam.
Video.
Bye! Nangita daw siya na ito kaya mag-banding daw siya.
Oh, the weather outside